Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw a very beautiful drawing. See, they just make your copy in portrait mode, and this is my center of the page. Okay, just from below that. Okay, from here we'll draw a line, straight line, and from here now draw the shape over here like this. Okay, and then from here the tree. A small tree shape we will do, and the U shape over here. Okay, and then what you have to do, we will draw a big moon in circle. Circle we will draw. Okay, and the drawing is over. So first now we will take out our black color. Okay, and before that, before erasing, before coloring it, we will make our drawing lighter. Okay, we will make the drawing lighter. And now from the top we will give na black color, little bit black color. Okay, use here black color. Just I'm using the black color, and after that I'm going to use the Persian blue. Okay, the darkest blue you have, the Persian blue color. The Persian blue I will just try to blend the black. Okay, try to blend the black with Persian blue color. The darkest blue you have, just use the darkest blue to blend the black. Use more black over here little bit, so that the Persian blue become more darker. Okay, we will blend the black properly. Okay, blend the black properly. Means on the black we have to do the blue color. Okay, and after Persian blue, we are going to use brilliant blue color. Okay, it's a brilliant blue color. First we will do in the Persian blue, then we will do in the over here. First do the border properly, this moon one. Slowly you do just border. Okay, not a single drop of color should go inside the moon. Okay, because moon will be white in color. This is a brilliant blue I am just doing. Okay, very easy. And now what I have to do, just I will take the light blue. Okay, I will take the light blue. Okay, and do the light blue over here. Okay, I have done the blue color. Now what you have to do, Just I will take out now rose pink. Okay, I will just use the rose pink, but I will do na dots. Okay, the dot 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 dot. I will do the rose pink slowly. With the rose pink, I'm just doing the dots. So dot dot. You just have to slowly just fill the dots. Okay. Dots with rose pink I have done. Then I will take a little bit red color, means scarlet I am using now. Scarlet. In some area I am using the scarlet color. Now I am going to use the violet color. Okay, violet. In the bottom area I am going to use the violet color in the bottom area. Okay, and now the carmine. Okay, carmine. It's a carmine. Okay, I'm using the carmine. And now what I have to do, just I will take the black color. Okay, I'll take the black color, fill it slowly. Very easy drawing. Just I am filling the black color. And very thin branches you can draw for the tree. Okay, inside also you can draw. Okay, little bit black to make it darker, and with the Persian blue I will blend it. Proper blending. Okay, proper blending with Persian blue. And now what we have to do, just I will take acrylic color. Okay, white and brush 000 brush. I will do the dot dot. Okay, you can with the brush also you can spray it, and you can do this one also, which I am doing. It will not waste your color. That's why I am doing like this. Okay, small dots we are doing with white color. Or else you can use the whitener also to make it. Not so many, just little bit of dot also enough. See, now it's over. So simple drawing. Okay. Thank you.